Hi, Kushal here from Cisco Data Center AI Compute team. In this video, I want to demonstrate the process to configure direct attached storage in UCS Intersight Managed Domain. Here is the network diagram used in this video for reference. To configure, first log into Cisco Intersight using admin account role. First step is to create a vSAN policy. Navigate to the policies and select create policy. Scroll down to the vSAN and hit start. Name a vSAN policy and hit next. Add a vSAN in the vSAN policy. Name the vSAN. The vSAN scope should be storage for DAS networks. Configure a vSAN ID and a VLAN ID and hit add. Hit on create button to create a vSAN policy. The next step is to create a port policy. Go to the policies, hit on create policy, scroll to the port and hit start. Name the port policy, select the fabric interconnect model and hit next. Under unified ports, move the slider to configure the fiber channel ports and hit next. Go to the port roles, select the port 1 and 2 and hit configure. From the drop-down, select FC storage as a port role. Configure the admin speed and vSAN ID and hit save. The port policy is configured. Step 3 is to create a switch control policy. Navigate to the policy and select create policy. Select switch control and hit start. Name the policy and hit next. Under switching mode on FC, select switch and hit create. Switch control policy is created. Step 4 is to create a UCS domain profile. Go to the profile and select create UCS domain profile and hit start. Then name the UCS domain profile need to be created and hit next. Then assign all the policies that have been created in step 1, 2 and 3 in the UCS domain profile and hit next. Then check the summary and hit deploy. UCS domain profile is created. For server profile deployment, create the server profile and the required policies in the server profile. Create policy, select FC zone and hit start. Name the FC zone policy that need to be created and hit next. Add the target, name the target, configure the WWPN, switch ID and the vSAN ID configured and hit add. Then hit on create. FC zone policy is successfully created. The next step is to create a SAN connectivity policy. Click on create policy and select SAN connectivity and hit start. Name the SAN connectivity policy, select the target platform and hit next. Select the WWPN pool from the list and hit select. Click on add to add the VHBA and select the necessary pools and policies configured and make sure to add the FC zone policy created in the step before and create. SAN connectivity policy is successfully created. Finally, create a server profile by create UCS server profile and hit start. Name the UCS server profile and select the target platform and hit next. Then go to the network configuration and select the SAN connectivity policy created before and hit select. Then hit on next. Make sure everything is configured in the summary and hit deploy. Server profile is created successfully. Finally, go to the UCS Fabric Interconnect command line and run the below commands to check and verify the FC port and VHPA configuration is done correctly. This is how you configure directly attached storage in UCS IMM domain. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video.